From the warm rain of Hong Kong back to reality. It's only just July, nearly, so of course the rain falling here during our summer is of a rather colder variety. Indeed, the weather in Lincolnshire and now probably in North Yorkshire, whereas the East Riding is probably like winter rather than summer. Certainly it's only about 10 degrees and the rain has been falling to give several millimetres. In fact, you could probably say a couple of inches from Norfolk northwards. But for much of the rest of the country, it's not looking too bad. There are a few showers around, but as of the last few days, there's a good chance of sunshine. There has been some sunshine. The Isle of Man, the southwest corner of Scotland and Cornwall, and that will last throughout the afternoon, on and off. With the rain, there's an increase in the wind. It's going to get worse tomorrow, but for this afternoon, it's pretty poor. 10 to 11 degrees, as I said, 50 in Fahrenheit terms. In the warmth of the sunshine, it's 16 or 17. That's still a little down on yesterday. Now that's the current pressure pattern. That low itself is going to develop into quite a substantial feature, more reminiscent of autumn. The wind's obviously strong on its western flank, and it's all to happen tonight and tomorrow. Indeed, tonight you'll notice, particularly in Scotland and Northern Ireland, the wind strengthening. They could easily be gale force across the Western Isles. They'll gust that way across the high ground of Scotland. It's going to be very windy across Northern Ireland. With the wind, of course, will come the rain. It's creeping in now to the east coast. It could be further west by the morning. The Western Isles might start off bright, they may not. But Scotland really is going to be a very wet, just going to be a wet day tomorrow with increasing winds, or at least winds lasting throughout the day. The rain will try and spread down to Northern Ireland and push back down to the Midlands. But it does leave much of the south of the country, particularly southern England, potentially quite bright and possibly quite warm indeed. Prospects for Wimbledon are on the up, I think, for the next couple of days, but certainly they are not in Scotland. Looking ahead to Wednesday and indeed Thursday, the pressure pattern is still one of low pressure. The fronts disappear, the winds lighten, but it's unsettled.